Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. See, children, we have discussed about the pronouns. Today we have to discuss about the possessive case. What we have to discuss, Nana? Possessive case. First, you should know the meaning of the possessive case. What do you mean by possessive? Possessiveness అంటే ఏంటో తెలియాలి. What do you mean by the possessive, children? Possessive means ownership. Possessive means ownership. Okay. To denote the ownership of a thing by a noun, we have to add a first of yes. What we have to add? A first of yes. Suppose this book belongs to. Suppose this is a sentence, children. This book belongs to Ram. What we can say means a book Ramodi ani. We can say it in another model. We can say this is Ramu's book. This is Ramu's book. I have Ram's book. Sorry, not Ramu. Ram's book. What I have added to denote the possessiveness, I have added a first of yes with the noun. See, children, whenever we are denoting the possessive case of a noun, we have to add a first of yes. A first of yes means belonging or possessiveness. A first of yes means belonging. Okay. So here, whereas we are using a first of yes to denote the possessive case of a noun, but in the pronouns we should not add a first of yes. Suppose this book is hers. This book is hers. Hers అనే పదంలోనన a first of yes పెట్టకూడదు, రాంగ్ అవుతుంది. We have to write only yes. When we are talking about the pronouns, we should not add any apostrophe before yes. But when we are talking about a noun, children, regarding the possessive case, we have to add apostrophe yes. Now coming to the nouns which are plural and which ends with yes. Okay, this is all about the singular. Now let us talk about the plural nouns. How to denote the possessive case of a plural noun. Suppose this hostel belongs to boys. అంటే ఈ హోటల్ అబ్బాయిలని అర్థం. బాయ్స్. Here plural ends with yes. So to denote in such cases, children, we have to add only a first of. Boys hostel. Okay. So to denote the possessive case of a noun, we are adding a first of yes. But when we are talking about the nouns in the plural ending with yes, we have to add only a first of. Now let us discuss a few more examples related to the possessive case so that easily you can understand. First one, let us see the first model to write the possessive case. See, Nana, the first one they gave the leg of the dog. The leg of the dog. Here we can write, Nana, the dog's leg. What we can write? The dog's leg. Answer, what we can write? The dog's leg. The dog's, a first of yes, dog's leg. When we are talking about another example given to you, children, the best friend of a boy. The best friend of a boy. The best friend of a boy. Here we can write the boys best friend, the boy's best friend. Okay, when we are talking about the third example, children, given to us, the work of a man, the work of a man. Here we can write the man's work, the man's work. Okay, coming to the fourth one, children, they gave the cave of a lion, the cave of a lion. Here we can say the lion's cave, the lion's cave, the lion's cave. Okay, here we are adding again a first of yes. If you see the given examples, all are singular, and along with the singular we are adding a first of yes to denote the possessive case, to denote the possessive case. Let us see few more examples of this type, then we can discuss remaining models. Okay, now fifth one, they gave clothes of women. Fifth one, they gave children clothes of women. If you observe, children, women is a plural of women. Women ki plural women. Here plural doesn't end with s. If the plural doesn't end with s, we have to add again a first of s. Women's clothes. Understood, children? Here difference. For the plural which ends with s, we are adding only a first of to denote the possessive case. But for the plurals which doesn't end with s, to denote the possessive case, we have to add a first of s. Coming to the sixth example given to you, Nana, the share of men. The share of men. Again here plural they gave, plural noun, but it doesn't end with s. So again here we can write men's share, men's share. Coming to the seventh one, children, the name of my brother, the name of my brother, the name of my brother. Here singular, we can say Nana, my brother's name, my brother's name. Okay, coming to the eighth one, children, the college of girls. Here see children, the college of girls. ఇక్కడ మీరు చూస్తే కనుక మా గర్ల్స్ ఎస్తో ఎండ్ అయింది. సో ద ప్లూరల్ హియర్ ఎండింగ్ విత్ ఎస్. ఫర్ దాట్ వీ కెన్ రైట్ గర్ల్స్ కాలేజ్, girls college. Okay, girls college. Coming to the ninth one, children, they gave the toys of my children, the toys of my children. Here again children is a plural which doesn't end with s. So here we can write children's toys. So the plurals which end with s, we have to write only a first of to denote the possessive case, and the plurals which doesn't end with s, to denote the possessive cases of such nouns, we have to add a first of s. Our next model, Nana, they gave the singular form of the sentence. We have to change it into plural. Let us see, Nana, the eighth, this is next model. To write into the plural. Write into the plural. See children, the farmers, ఇక్కడ ఒక ఫార్మరే నా చెప్పింది చూడండి. ఫార్మర్స్ ఆక్సెన్, ఇక్కడ ఒక ఫార్మర్ గురించి చెప్పాడు, మనల్ని ప్లూరల్లో మార్చమన్నాడు. Already it is given plural. So when I am writing the farmer plural, what I am getting? Farmers. నాకేమని వస్తుంది? ఫార్మర్స్. ఫార్మర్స్ పొసెసివ్ కేస్ రాసేటప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? ఓన్లీ ఎఫ్ స్టాప్ యాడ్ చేయాలి. అర్థమైందా? we should not add f stop s. Only f stop we have to add to denote the possessive case. Oxen. Let us have another example. See children, the boys thinks. The boys thinks. Here again, boy singular. When I am writing the plural form for boy, I am getting boys things. So boys again plural ending with s. That's why I am adding again here a first of s. The boys things. Coming to the third one, the child's clothes. Here if you see the difference children, child's clothes. Here the child plural children. The children's clothes, children, f stop s, children's clothes. Okay, in this way children, whenever we are writing the possessive cases of a noun, when the noun is singular we have to add f stop s, but when we are talking about the nouns, plural nouns ending with s, only f stop, and the plural nouns which doesn't end with s, we have to write again f stop s. This is what about all the possessive cases. In our next session we will discuss about another topic. Have a nice day.